Hi, my name is Emma Irvin, and my project is about the fish food pincher. I have a journal that I wrote down stuff that I researched about and learned about. My problem. One thing that I did not like was stinky fish food on my hands, and I couldn't keep my hands clean when I was feeding my fish, and I never ever want to contaminate the fish food and kill the fish. I went to a lot of different places to see if my research was correct and if my invention was already made. One place that I went to the pet store to find out if my invention was already made, but I only found fish food there. And then I used Google search for fish feeders that had already been invented, but those only found me pond feeders only. I thought about a couple different designs for invention ideas. First I thought about using a crane design, but then I decided to use a chopstick design so I could have more control, and that lets me only get one flake at a time.
Mm-hmm. Emma, move that way just a touch. Keep going.
For the first one that I made, for the first
It's okay, look, the word's right on the top.
prototype materials.
See, for the first prototype.
For the first prototype, I used scissors, tape, and straws. And then I made it. I used the scissors to cut the tape, and I used a small piece of the straw to make the pincher open and close. The small piece of straw is located in the middle of the big bunch of tape.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. I was excited about using my invention. It worked great with all the new modifications. I forgot modifications, didn't I?
It's okay. Keep going.
I made my invention better by using the tape instead of string, and I placed tape on the tips of the straws so I can only grab one flake at a time. And I cut the tape to come to a point. Recently I made a model. Please stop messing around. Recently I made something that I called a scooper. If you have a bigger fish that needs a little bit more food, this at least gets 5 flakes or less at a time.
Mm. Interesting.
Well, I liked a lot of stuff. Here are a couple things of what I liked. One thing that I liked is designing it and making it myself. I also like seeing people's reactions when I showed them my invention. My grandma bought one from me. My grandma bought one from me. I also like trying out my invention. My next ideas for an invention. One thing that I want to do is help make breakfast faster. So I might make something like a robot to help me.
Whoa.
Then I want to make an invention to water plants automatically. If you're on vacation, and if you forget to water the plants, something can do it automatically for you. I also want to make something that automatically cleans your dishes so you won't have to touch it. Thank you very much for watching the Fish Food Pincher Project. Thank you very much.
Good job. Show us how it works.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
I'm going to zoom in on the fish food.
I'll do close up.
Good job.
Okay, wait for this one.
Was that the scooper?
Named it myself. Except for I might have to have an ear mask while I'm doing it. Oops.
Good job. Congratulations.